Today I'm going to review something that I've been wanting to try for a while, a good while now, but I kind of thought it was gimmicky, so I never really tried it out. But the folks over at Ayat, and I probably misspelled that terribly, asked me if I wanted to review this digital wireless cell phone charger. So in our house, with the boy always using his mama's phone for Minecraft, right, and my phone and all the little USB electronics we have a hard time keeping everything charged because of the cables. So I was looking for like a wireless one that I could plug up in the bedroom, and then you go to bed, you just lay your phone on top of it and it will charge. So it works sort of like a transformer with electrical fields. But this was $8.38 prime. You see it's pretty small. Here it is next to a cell phone for comparison. And it's just this little plate. And it's got a little USB adapter. And it's a short one. It's for Android. I'm going to fix that by getting a much longer cable.
Hey Dad, what are you going to do?
I'm going to plug this in here. There we go.
I get it.
Alright, so I did not know that my iPhone 6 does not support wireless charging. iPhone X or 10 and then the 8s have wireless charging. So I had to go dig up an old Android phone for this. So that's not cool. But I will tell you, let me go ahead and tell you which phones this thing will work for. It charges iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy Note 8, S8, S8 Plus, S7, S7 Edge, S6, S6 Edge, Nokia 9, Huawei Mate 10, Nexus 4, Nexus 5, Lumia 920, and other key-enabled devices. So it does a lot of Androids. HTC One Max, Droid DNA, Incredible 4G, the One Mini 2, LG Nexus 4 and 5, G Pro, D1L, LTE 2, Nokia Lumias, Motorola Droids, Google Nexuses, Sony Xperias, yeah, a bunch. Just not my go-to phone. So I'm gonna let this old phone charge for a while, right? But I don't use it and it don't have service. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna give this one away because I don't want to add wireless charging to my iPhone. There's a way you could do it. You can buy an adapter thing, but then I might as well just keep with the cords that I've got. But just looking at it, it's pretty simple. There's no on-off switch. It's just plug and play. You plug it in, you lay your phone on it. It was done charging, you take it off, right? So pretty cool, especially for $8. Heck, that's less than the cost of a lot of cell phone chargers. So, all told, it's not bad.
Hi guys.